everyone, this is Yan. Today I will bring you to one of the iconic landmarks in Budapest, the Hungarian Parliament Building. Let's go! The statue of Gyula Andrássy, a Hungarian statesman who served as Prime Minister of Hungary at 1867 to 1871. There are 691 rooms, 10 courtyards and 125 miles worth of stairs. This largest building in Budapest is located at the Kossuth Square. It has a height of 268 meters, 123 meters wide and 96 meters tall. This parliament building is designed by the Hungarian architect Imre Steindl in Neo-Gothic Revival style and opened in 1902. This is the monument to Lajos Kossuth. The bullet holes on these steel plates is the reminder of Bloody Thursday, the Hungarian Revolution in 1956. This is the seat of National Assembly of Hungary. It is also the current Prime Minister office and part of it is open for the public to visit. Other than this, there are also some other statues and buildings, such as the equestrian statue of Francis Rakoczy and Palace of Justice, also named as the Museum of Ethnography.